Ready? Peas. Do you like peas? Do you like peas?
Dad, Henry, I'm gonna show. Oh my god. Are you choking?
Do you like peas? You don't like peas? You don't like peas? They're yummy. Mommy made those for you. Yummy peas. Let's try another bite. Maybe you'll like another bite. Ready? What do you think? Maybe they're good for you. What do you think? Yummy. One more bite. One more bite. Ready?
No. No more peas. No more peas. No. Mom, I'm 6 months. I can tell you what I want to eat. No more peas.
Bees. What do you think? You like them? You don't like them?
Okay.